Notepad++. Let's see how we can download and install Notepad++ on Windows 11. It is same in other Windows operating system. Go to the browser and type Notepad++. The first one is the official website. Go to this site, choose the download option, choose the latest version. For me it's 64-bit machine, so click on the 64-bit machine and the installer. As you can see, it is installed. Choose the open file, choose this option, agree. You can change the location if you wish to. I am choosing this shortcut on the desktop and say finish. It is available. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe it and share with your friends. Keep watching, keep learning.